Because thinking in English isn't just about learning a new language. It's about changing the way you talk to yourself. You see, when we start learning English, we do one big mistake. We keep translating every word from our own language. We stop and think, wait, how do I say this in English? And that pause, that hesitation, becomes a wall between your thoughts and your voice. But here's the truth. If you want to think in English, you have to stop being perfect. You have to start being real. When a baby learns to speak, does it use grammar books? No, it listens, repeats, makes mistakes, and learns again. That's how your mind should work too. So from today, when you see something, don't say it in your native language. Say it in English, even if it's wrong. You wake up, say in your mind, I'm feeling fresh today. You're hungry, say, I'm starving. You're tired, say, I need some rest. This is how your brain learns to think directly in English. Stop judging your mistakes. Start loving your progress. You don't need fancy English to sound confident. You just need your own natural flow. Because fluency is not speed. Fluency is freedom. Freedom to express, to connect, to dream. So if you want to think in English, surround yourself with English. Change your phone language. Here's a powerful long YouTube video script titled How to Think in English, written in a way that keeps viewers hooked, emotional, and motivated to watch till the end. If you feel sad, say it, I'm sad. If you feel proud, say it, I did it. If you feel scared, say it, I'll try anyway. That's how you build a mind that thinks, dreams, and lives in English. Remember this. Your brain listens to your words. So when you talk in English every day, even to yourself, you're training your brain to think differently, to dream differently. And one day, you'll wake up and realize you're no longer translating. You're living in English. So keep going. Don't compare. Don't give up. Because every single sentence you speak in English is a step toward a new version of yourself. And that version speaks with confidence, thinks in English, and inspires others to do the same.